The Delhi Meetei Coordinating Committee, DMCC and Global Manipur Federation convened a press conference yesterday at the Press Club of India to address the ongoing crisis in Manipur, urging immediate action from the Government of India to restore peace and constitutional order in the state. The press conference highlighted the grave situation that has plagued Manipur for the past 13 months and 25 days following clashes between Meiteis and Kuki militants across several districts. Representatives from DMCC and GMF expressed deep concerns over the central government's handling of the crisis, accusing it of neglecting its constitutional responsibilities and exacerbating ethnic tensions. We are deeply disappointed by the absence of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi from Manipur since the onset of this conflict, stated W. Premjit and Sunil of DMCC and GMF. The lack of leadership presence sends a troubling message and undermines efforts to restore peace and build trust. The press release highlighted several key issues, including the erosion of state autonomy, biased security force operations, and allegations of using the conflict for geopolitical interests. It called for immediate steps to ensure equal protection for all communities in Manipur and demanded transparency in the government's strategy. We demand an end to the divisive tactics and immediate restoration of state government authority, stated the representatives. Manipur's integrity must be preserved and all citizens deserve equal protection under the law.